Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the broker Keto Markets. You go to the Forex broker section, select Keto Markets, and finally click on Go to Website. You enter the Keto Markets website and click on Open an Account. And in the registration section, you choose a title for your name. You enter first and last name. You enter your full date of birth in this section. You enter your country of residence. You enter your phone number, along with an email address and a password, which, as you can see, should be between 8 to 15 characters. You repeat your password for confirmation, using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Then you check the box to agree to the website's terms and click on Continue. And then you go to your email where you click on Verify Now to confirm your email. And then at the bottom, you click on Send Verification Email. You log in, click on Key Markets, and finally click on this link. You enter your account dashboard and answer common questions like your education, financial status, account type, and so on. Below, if you are a political activist, you answer in this section. And after entering all the information, you click on Continue. You review the information you entered, and finally, you access your account. But friends, to work with the Keto Markets website, you need to verify your account. In the next video, I will explain the benefits of verification. Good luck.